900 feet. Turn right on Baldwin Road.
Boom. What's up? Yeah, I'm actually coming back from Streets Run right now, and it's pretty bad too. But not yet. I'm heading that way. Like I'm getting off of the back highway, whatever that is, 887, 885. So I'm like on Streets Run right now. There's already been some spots that have been like flooding through like Hazelwood, and it looks like there's some cars stopped here, so this might not be good. Yeah, 645. Yeah, I mean it's been coming down pretty hard. I got drenched, obviously, like I said, and then splash, which was fucking amazing. Like I think that's the first time it's ever happened to me. I think that's one of my firsts, like one of the last ones I have out there. To get comically drenched by a fucking car passing through a puddle. Like my entire left leg is just soaked. I mean, it's alright. I flipped the guy off pretty good. There was just like, BAM! Flipped off. But I don't even know if he saw me, so. It looks like people are turning around. I guess we shall see. Yeah, especially if I have to pick up Liddy, because this is the only. I have to go back up. Give me a second. I have to reverse. Alright, so I need to hope that the way up from Glass Run is open. Yeah, see, I gotta pick Liddy up in 38 minutes. I mean, oh wow. That river is high. Oh, that's going all the way through people's backyards and shit. Holy shit. I mean, I know that it does this. I've never seen it run this high, though. Like, it is running. And there's a piece that they just fixed on Streets Run, and it's probably going to flood out again. Yeah, it's pretty bad right now. It's like flooding up onto the road where that piece just came. So I need to wait for the other person to go before I can even, like, there's opposite traffic coming through. Like, it's flooding out one lane of the road. And the fire department's going there right now. Oh, I've done this a few times. Wait till it snows. Yeah. So you never went to school, or you already did that? So you already went and did the form thing? Oh. So kill two birds with one stone. Only to go ahead and do it again tomorrow. closed ahead. Okay, is it actually closed or not? Because people fucking live up here. Like, how would you get to your house? I mean, how badly could it be flooded, though? Right, but there's gotta be a way. Like, I can't just, like, be stuck here. And it looks like I am. Alright, so how the fuck am I doing this? Okay, so I have to go through West Mifflin and come back. I mean, how much trouble can you get on for driving down a closed road? Right, but there could have been changes to it. Like, it might not be as bad as it was before. People, there didn't used to be roads, okay? In the realm of travel, roads are relatively newfound things. Alright, what? Oh, God. I don't even know if I can go up that. I think that's fucking blocked. Like, the on-ramp to get to... Yeah, I can't go up that. Okay, where the fuck do I go from here? I think I have one more way that I can try. Well, no, there's one more way that I know. As long as it's not, like, flooded, but I kind of don't have any other options here. Yeah, the after-school program. I mean, no, but there has to be a way somewhere. I mean, I might have to go, like, all the way around, but there has to be a way somewhere. Alright, so I'm taking a left up here. Maybe. Alright, let me call Bree and see where she is. Maybe she can get there quicker than I can. She's going tonight at some point, so it's just easier for me to pick her up. Alright, I'll try and call you back. Bye. Hello? Hi. Hey, where are you at? Where are you at? Oh, you already left. Okay, never mind. Nah, everything's fucking flooded here, and I'm trying to get to Lydia. I was just gonna see if there's a way you could get there quicker, which it sounds like there's not. Sounds like it would probably take you a little bit longer to get there. Down, like, the Streets Run, Glass Run area. Like, Streets Run's flooded, Glass Run is closed. I'm having to go, like, up through West Mifflin, if I can. Yeah. Yeah. Like, I can't even get back onto... oh god, this is quickly flooding. Okay, I need to get off here. Alright, I will definitely try. Bye.